Here's our little babies.
Their
Hopefully you can
first
see
trip
'em.
outside.
And we're hoping to try and figure out which ones are girls and boys today.
Yeah, good luck
We'll
on
see. We got a pretty nice variety. Kind of fun to
that.
that little
That
black
looks
one
to
right
me
there.
like one set of
Well, there's the meat birds over there. They're not nearly as cute.
But like this guy.
Let's see. What do you think?
No, see, he's got two sets of leaves.
Two sets of feathers. They don't have leaves. They're birds. We think that's a girl. They don't know about running around yet. Hey, everybody. Why don't you come outside and play? You don't know what that is, do you?
You're talking about their whole world.
I don't know. I don't know if this is going to record very well with this kind of light. Come get your food. Come on over.
Not everything's weird, guys.
Here I thought they were all going to scatter like the wind. But nope, they don't even want to come out. But they're not really used to that concept. So, you can get some close-ups. Say hi, guys and girls. You guys are pretty cute.
But like,
pretty cute.
Come here, buddy. I seen ya. I seen ya.
All right, let's see what we got with this one. Looking at the wings.
That's more than one. She's just got a row here and a row here.
Well, maybe that's a girl. We don't really know.
That ain't the...
Hi, chickies.
This is that big one.
Ooh, that
This
one is
guy,
one.
I think.
Let's see what your wings look like. Looks like maybe one row to me.
And but there's a row too. And there's another row, so...
Anybody that thinks they know what these birds are, be sure and leave a comment. That might be helpful.
Either male or female.
Yeah, they're either male or female. We're pretty sure about that.
But like this one, see, that's got two rows.
Thought there'd be a lot more action, guys, but this is what we got.
But they all look the same.